Hi, and welcome back to our kid video series where you come to create, imagine, and discover. My name is Gabrielle and I'm with Mommy and Me Portrait Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to make 4 different types of musical egg shakers. Now what we're going to put in these egg shakers is rice and noodles. You can also use dry beans if you have those at home as well. The supplies you're going to need for the first one are plastic eggs, plastic forks or plastic spoons, a hot glue gun, and some decorating supplies. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually fill our little eggs with some rice. I'm going to fill the bigger part so that when we close it up, it has a little bit more in there to shake. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to just take our plastic utensils. We're going to hot glue them just like this. So it's kind of cupping it around, and it's going to make kind of a Maraca style. And make sure that these two line up at the bottom, because we're also going to hot glue these as well. Now for added support, I'm also going to use a little bit of decorating supplies. So what I'm going to do is take some sparkly washi tape, and I'm going to just wrap it around that little center seam there. Alright, and there you have our first egg shaker, which is a Maraca style. The second one, the ingredients you are going to need is an almost empty salt shaker and decorating supplies. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually just take off the old label. They actually peel off pretty easy. And I am going to use hot glue for this one, but you can use tape as well. I'm going to use the hot glue to seal this shot once we put some rice in it, just to make sure that it doesn't open up and cause a mess everywhere. So I'm going to put a little bit of rice in this. You can hear there's still some salt in there, but I'm going to put a little bit of rice just for some added noise. And I'm just going to kind of spoon it into the top here. So we'll close it up and you can hear this one makes an excellent shaker. Now the reason I actually wanted to make these shakers for you guys is my little one right now loves to shake things. In fact, I have this little container with some hardware in it, and he will find this wherever I put it, and he will just start shaking it all day long. So I wanted to make him some that can actually go in his toy box that he can play with. So what you're gonna do is, this is actually all it takes to make it. I am going to hot glue it shut just because I don't want it to open up. You can also tape it closed if you'd like. Whatever works for you. This is all about whatever you have in your home already. The only thing left to do is to decorate this one. I did cut a plain piece of paper so that I can wrap it around here. I have this, I think it's an old mason jar kind of burlap cover, and it actually fits really good on here, so I'm going to put that on here as well. Perfect, and now we got our salt shaker. The supplies I'll need for the next one is just a plastic cup and a balloon. So I actually cut off the end of my balloon. This is going to make it easier to stretch. So just cut that off right there. And then we're going to fill this one up with noodles this time. And I think that's a good amount. And what we're going to do is we're going to stretch this balloon over the cup. Now you do want to kind of stretch it out with your hands first, just to make sure that you don't collapse the cup. The cup may bend a little bit while you're doing this, but it will be fine in the end. So just kind of stretch it out a little bit, and then put it over that cup. Once you get it over the opening, we're going to flip it over so it's upside down. We're going to pull this all the way out to the end. Alright, and there we have our next one. Perfect. So we have one more to show you. This one takes a toilet paper roll and 2 bottle caps. The best bottle caps that work for this are milk carton caps, but really you can just go around your house and kind of see what fits this size. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our toilet paper roll and we're going to just hot glue around the inside here. And you're going to take your bottle cap, make sure the inside is facing in, and we're going to put it right in there. And just kind of squeeze all around and make sure it seals. And then we're going to do a layer on the outside of hot glue. Okay, and then we are going to fill it up. I'm going to do rice for this one. I'm going to fill it about halfway. Okay, once you've filled it, we're going to do the same thing with the other bottle cap on the other side. So now we have our 4 different shakers that all make different noises. And you can use them with just the stuff that you already have in your home. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope your kids enjoy these toys as well. And if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell down below to get notifications when we post. And we will see you guys next time. Thanks guys, bye!
Are you having fun?